morning. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I'm going to fix something real quick and simple. I have been invited out for a cookout. It's already got 90 degrees here in Florida. So what I'm going to do is fix something real simple to take. It's just a cranberry salad. Instead of using a glass dish, because then you'd have to worry about waiting for them to eat it so you can take the dish home, I'm just going to put mine in an aluminum pan. And what you will need, you're going to need a can of Eagle brand condensed milk, a 20-ounce of crushed pineapple, a can of whole cranberry sauce. I really like ocean spray, but when they don't have it, you use whatever they got, and this happens to be a store brand whole berry cranberry sauce from Walmart. And a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 9 ounces of Cool Whip, and that would be a little bit over half of this because this is 16 ounces, but again, I got what I could get. And I also got some walnuts to put on top. Some people don't like them. That's your choice. And I'll show you how to fix your walnuts to go on top. So let's get started. Now, this is really simple. So all you do is you mix all your ingredients together. And there again, that's 20 ounces of crushed pineapple, a can of whole berry cranberries, that didn't want to come out. There we go. One-fourth cup of lemon juice, and I'm going to blend that in just a little bit before I put the milk in it. One can of condensed Eagle brand milk, and when it says condensed, it really means condensed. It is really thick. We're going to stir that together. Has a pretty color. Okay, and that's all the ingredients except for your Cool Whip. Says you can freeze this, or you can keep it in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. So we're going to put 9, it says 9 ounces, and this is a 20, if I'm not mistaken, 20 ounce, no, this is a 16 ounce tub of Cool Whip that I've got. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little over half. Okay, I think that's a little over half of that. And you just stir it together. And it does take a few minutes to get this all blended in together. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. And this is just a quick cranberry salad. A lot of people like this at Thanksgiving because it's cool after having your hot turkey. But I think it's nice when you're having a cookout or a get-together to have something refreshing. But you need to like cranberries and pineapple because this is just about all that it is. Okay, I think I've got that stirred up pretty good. And like I say, I'm going to put mine in an aluminum pan because I'm not serving it here at the house. and I won't have to worry about waiting to bring my container home. Quick and easy. Put it in the refrigerator. And I'm going to show you something real quick. If you're going to put nuts on top of anything, take whatever amount of nuts that you need, put them in a Ziploc bag, take an old-fashioned rolling pin. Let's put it on a cloth right quick, and then it won't slide all over the whole counter, if I'm lucky. And just roll it out, and it crushes your nuts instead of trying to just chop them. There we go. So you take your salad, and just sprinkle it on top of it. And we're going to put that in the refrigerator and let it get firm. It says you can freeze it. So if you know you're going real quick, put it in the freezer and let it freeze for maybe 30 minutes, and then take it out, and that way it'll be ready for your picnic. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I know this is a really short video, but I do like this, and it is getting the time of year that you start thinking about cold salads and stuff. So give it a try. Mix it all together, put it in the refrigerator and let it get good and cool, or put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes. Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe, and I thank you for watching it, and come back to see me. Okay, I just wanted to show you the finished product. It turned out real good. I'm going to put it in the freezer and let it get a little bit firmer, but it sure does have a real good taste to it. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Try this. I think you will enjoy it.